Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to do a mini sink and a potty place for our van house. I hope that you can get some ideas here. We enjoyed working on this project and I hope you did too. Right now, my husband is trying to cut the wood that we're going to use for the sink. This will be the cabinet and the sink in our mini camper. So this will be the setup. The shelf, this will be here, and then we have the water with the sink here. So we're just going to buy 2 5-gallon water to have our sink here. Our kitchen cabinet. So this will be our toilet. We're going to remove that, and then here this will be the sink there. Okay. Here are the utensils. Okay, there you go.
Wow, look at that shot.
There's no sharp edges. Before we put the sink. Here is the sink. Our little sink. Right? Okay, so we already put the braces here and this is our mini sink. My husband made a sink, a small sink, and we got this all from Amazon. And this is our faucet. That's our faucet. And we bought 2 containers, 5-gallon containers. This one is for the dirty water, and this one is for the clean one. So when we wash our hands, we can use this faucet, and then it will be disposing here in this gallon. And then this one will be we will put the porta potty here. And then this one we can detach, and we can make this as a you can put something here, a container. And then we have an air cooler that we will also put in our mini camper. Finish our project, the mini sink and the potty place. I hope that you like. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and ring the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you for watching.